Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today I'm going to show you how to do this 12.6 volt BMS board. It can handle a load 20 amps. I will use this to power my router just in case if the electricity goes off. I will have some power for my router, and because I need the internet, for me it's very important, I have decided to do that. For this we need these three 1865 lithium batteries. This is from LG, and I managed to take out from an old laptop battery, of course, where else, or you can buy it of course. We need this case for the 1860 lithium batteries. I will do the diagram how to connect. Of course, you will see live how I am going to do that. We need this tool and some cable, of course. We need the station, soldering station. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm going to glue this BMS here, and that definitely it will help me to do the cable diagram management. We need some hot glue. Just put a little bit, not too much. And let's glue it whenever it's more suitable for you. Then take a marker, and it will help you just mark where are the positive. I know where is it, just in the video in case you don't see it very well. Now we need some soldering to apply in the BMS. Now we are going to install the batteries. We need 12 volts from the batteries. That means I will install it in series, and just like that. Here's the positive, positive, negative, and positive, negative. I'm going to take the negative, this is the negative, and I will connect it into the 0 volts that it says here. Just like that. I will show you now the energy, how it will flow. Maybe it will help you better. We have the negative. Go. Now I need to connect these two together positive to negative, here positive and to negative, and one cable it will go to BMS that it says 4.2 volts from here. Let's do it. Here it is. Don't worry, because the batteries is already installed. If you are not going to turn on the BMS, and to do that you need a 12-volt adapter to turn it on. It's not turn it on now. That's how we can keep moving. Now I'm going to connect this positive to this negative, and here it is. And again, one cable it will go to 8.4 volts here, and in the end the positive it will go to 12.6 volt. Let's do that. Okay, cable is ready. Then connect it to the 8.5 volts. 0.4, sorry. And here it is. Sorry. And the thing that I've done is, it's like the arrows goes negative, positive, that positive, negative, and positive, negative, and then it goes to positive. And there is the end of the positive, and it will go to 12.6 volts. And let's do that. Okay, let's connect the cable here. Not connected into the battery, just into the metal. I can connect here. It has some problem, I don't know. And I connect it here. And that it will go to the 12 volt. Perfect. Now I'm going to connect the power out and power in here, positive and negative. Now I have to use this cable. The one is the output, and it will give power to my router. This is the output. Sorry, this is the output, the black one. It will give power to my router, and this is the input from the 12-volt adapter. It will go here. I solder it together, the negative, the positive, and the negative, and that it will go together into the BMS board here. Let's solder it and that. Here it is. In from the 12-volt adapter, out to my router. And here it is. I think we are finished it, and now we're going to test it, of course, to see how it works. Well, here we are. The batteries are there. I have connected to the 12-volt adapter, as I show you. Here is the output for the router. Let's connect it to the power. See what it goes. Connect it. And yep, we have a power. And let's see if any lights it will blink. I chose this type of installation of these batteries because in the future you may need to take them out, and it will be more easy to do that. And yes, we have some blinking lights. Okay, let's put it. And with all that, guys, this is how you're doing a BMS 12-volt to power your router if your electricity fails sometime in the future. And now it's synchronizing with the internet. Well, thank you for watching this lovely installation and how to do this BMS 12-volt. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.